All right, let's get down to it. Mr. Multifamily himself. First of all, how many doors do you own?
Me personally, I own 40 doors personally.
Okay, so he got 40 doors, so you know he's talking from experience here, guys. So, what is the best way for someone to get into multifamily real estate?
Yeah, so the first step is actually realizing that a single family home is not the way to go for your first property. It's actually easier to buy a multifamily home than it is to buy a single family home. I'm gonna repeat that. It is easier to buy a multifamily home than it is to buy a single family home. So typically, if you have like $40,000 of income for W-2 income, you can get financed for about 6 times that amount. That's just the back of the envelope number, credit and other things apply. So if you have $40,000 of personal income, that's about $240,000 that you could qualify for a single family home. What people don't know is that when you're getting financed for a multifamily home, the lender will give you credit for 75% of the rental income that you're going to get once you close and add that to your W-2 income. So I have a fourplex in New Orleans. It rents at $1,000 per unit. That's $4,000 per unit, which is $48,000 for the year. 75% of that is $36,000. So the lender will now add that $36,000 that I'm going to get to my $40,000 of W-2 income. Now they're qualifying me based on $76,000 of income. So
Gems!
Jim.
I need to hear y'all say gems!
Jim.
Yes.
So now instead of getting financed for $240,000 for a single family home, I can now get financed for $456,000, almost twice as much real estate because I bought a multifamily first instead of a single family, right? So that's the first key, is really breaking down that mindset of which property you should get first. A lot of people search for their dream home first.